Hello crafty friends, it's Danny here from Danny's Dreams. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a card share for you. I did the May 2021 SheetLoad of Cards. I used to be on the collab team for SheetLoad of Cards, but I took a little break and now I'm back into the SheetLoad of Cards groove. So I'm going to play catch up. So I'm starting with May, so you see I have a lot to catch up on. If you're new to SheetLoad of Cards, Call Me Crafty Al puts out a SheetLoad of Cards on the 1st of every month. You get, as long as you're a subscriber of her channel, you get this handy printable that will give you the sketch, how the supplies you'll need, how many cards it will yield, the dimensions, alternatives, and then you get a cutting guide as well. Neatest thing ever, especially if you're like having a block and you just don't know what you want to create. These are my go-to. So again, I'm using the May 2021. For my cards today, I used this super cute, not too shabby Hello Winter set again. I cannot get over these little bears. And I don't know, I know it's the silliest things, but I just love that there's a stamp for their little cheekies. So I did use, let's see, I used this little bear here. All the products that I use that are still current, I will list in the description box below. I am so happy and excited that I joined the Not Too Shabby Box of the Month because so many fun things. Again, Hello Winter from the Box of the Month, which is the Arctic Winter Box of the Month for November 2021. I also used an old Stamping Up 6x6 paper pad that I had. Warmth and Cheer has some fun designs in it, and you can see I haven't used it much. Need to remedy that. I used my favorite things, A2 Stitched Rectangle Stacks, the set one. I think I use this on about every single card I make. They are probably my most loved dies. I use them constantly. An old, see, this one is an EK Success border die that I've had forever. Rarely use it, dug it out. My handy dandy corner rounder. How many of you still have this corner rounder? I think it's also EK Success. I absolutely love it. And then I used Garden Green and Blushing Bride from Stamping Up for my inks. And then I had some random Stamping Up enamel shapes left, and so I did use those as well. And moving on to the reason you're here, get to share my cards, and I have to say I absolutely positively love how these turned out. So the SheetLoad of Cards makes 6 cards for that May 2021. And so these are my 6 cards. How adorable is that bear? And I thought it was perfect with that paper and the sketch called, let me pull it back out, for this slight like fishtail there. I am not good at doing that, and I didn't have a die to do it. So that is where I brought in my punch and I made that little border down there. I thought the colors were fun to do in the greens and yellows. It's not something I typically do, but I really liked how it turned out. And then I put those enamel shapes on everyone, the 2 hearts. So that is 3 of this design and then 3 of this design. Again, those bears are just adorable. There's side by side. And so those are my May 2021 SheetLoad of Cards set that I just created. I don't know that I'll be able to part with these. I'm going to try, but they turned out so cute, and I just really love how they turned out. On the bears, I also used my texture technique with the Copic colorless blender and an old towel. I will list that tutorial in the description box as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like what you see. If you do, I hope that you will click the button to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Until my next video, go do something for yourself. Go get crafty, go crafty shopping, or sit back and relax. Thanks so much and have an amazing day.